Welcome to the Craft and Fix channel. I wish you pleasant and blessed times. In this video, we will together witness an amazing and inexpensive trick to sharpen any knife in 1 minute using an old battery. The result? You will get a knife as sharp as a razor blade. Is your knife extremely dull? Are you finding it difficult to cut the simplest of things? For example, when attempting to cut a tomato, you might have to move the knife back and forth many times just to break through the skin. There is no doubt that this is very frustrating. In this state, cutting anything becomes difficult, and it greatly affects the appearance of your ingredients. Even trying to cut a thin piece of paper becomes an impossible task. But do not worry at all. Here is a simple, effective, and astonishing trick to make your knife sharp again. If your knife is dull and you don't own a whetstone, you only need 2 used batteries to make an excellent sharpening tool yourself. Let's start now and take your time to understand every step precisely. Preparing the sharpening tool, we will use old batteries that we collected to recycle and utilize. We will firmly glue the 2 batteries together using super glue, leaving a narrow gap between them. To ensure the durability of the tool, we can mount them on a piece of wood to form a stable knife sharpener. Remember, we will make this tool once and use it forever. This method will be simple and cost-effective for you. Cleaning the knife. As you can see, the knife we have is very old, rusty, and neglected. First, we will use WD-40 cleaner to easily clean the rusty knife. We continue cleaning both sides with sandpaper. Note: use high-quality sandpaper to avoid scratching the knife surface. Now that the surface has been cleaned and is shiny, we move on to the sharpening stage. The sharpening process. Gently place the knife into the gap between the two batteries. Pull the knife in one direction only. We will need to hold the tool and the knife firmly, as the gap between the two batteries prevents the knife from being held strongly during sharpening. The knife has become unbelievably sharp, so sharp that it can even cut hair. Let's now perform the final test and cut the tomatoes. What a result! The tomatoes are cut evenly and with supreme smoothness with every slice. The slices are made effortlessly, without the need to saw the knife back and forth as it was before sharpening. The tomato flesh remains fresh and intact, with barely any juice leaking out. Truly, an astonishing method. How do you find this knife sharpening method? And what is your own special way of sharpening knives? Share your opinions and methods with us in the comments section. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will be happy to help you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you happy times. If you like these ideas, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button. It's wonderful to see your support.